Because of work from home, we've been spending a lot more time on the deck, and we decided to upgrade our deck table from a folding table to this, and we decided to bring you along for the ride.
Like cutting toast.
We also can choose to use some of these if we like the coloring on them.
Yeah. I like the dark.
The dark?
We spent a good chunk of time choosing which pickets we liked and which side to put up. It was helpful here to use the factory cut edge as the side that will be screwed into the other piece of wood.
The decking screws we had on hand were too short to go all the way through the 2x4, so we cut 45-degree angles into the pieces of wood to provide a shorter path for the screws to go through. The speed screen. No. We offset the support frame the width of the railing to provide a nice, positive engagement.
We pre-drilled the holes for the screws, which helps to prevent the wood from splitting.
We use a technique here that Laura Kampf calls story sticking to get repeated and consistent markings. To keep the table secure and level, we decided to build a truss structure that presses against the railing and holds the table surface up.